Welcome to our dashcam comparison. Today we are diving into the features and specifications of two popular dash cameras, the Baesu dashcam front and rear and the Ovaman K600. We'll look at their recording capabilities, connectivity options, and pricing to see which one stands out in this head-to-head battle. Let's get started. When it comes to resolution, the Baesu dashcam offers a 2.5K QHD front camera and 1440p for the rear and interior cameras. In contrast, the Ovaman K600 boasts a stunning 4K UHD front camera and a 1080p rear camera. This significant difference in resolution means that the Ovaman K600 captures sharper and more detailed footage, especially in critical situations where clarity is essential. Connectivity is another area where these two dashcams differ. The Baesu model lacks built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, which may limit its functionality for users who want to easily manage their footage. On the other hand, the Ovaman K600 comes equipped with 5G Wi-Fi for seamless app connectivity and built-in GPS, allowing for real-time tracking and easier video management. Finally, let's talk about price. The Baesu dashcam is priced at an affordable $79. Making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for basic dashcam functionality. In contrast, the Ovaman K600 comes with a higher price tag of $139, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. While the Ovaman offers more in terms of technology, the Baesu provides a solid option for those who want essential features without breaking the bank. In conclusion, both the Baesu dashcam and the Ovaman K600 have their strengths and weaknesses. The Baesu is a great choice for budget-conscious consumers looking for essential features, while the Ovaman K600 is ideal for those who want the latest technology and superior video quality. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.